In this video, we will provide some tips and tricks to help you protect your computer from hackers. First, make sure your computer has updated antivirus and firewalls installed. These programs will help prevent malicious software from disrupting your system. Second, be cautious when clicking on any links or downloading any files. Hackers can disguise harmful links as legitimate, so it's essential to verify them before clicking. Third, create a strong password. Avoid using simple passwords and repeat them across various accounts. Instead, use a unique and complex password for each account. Fourth, regularly back up your data to an external hard drive or cloud storage. This method will allow you to retrieve your data in case of a ransomware attack or system failure. Fifth, be careful when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. These networks are often unsecured, and hackers can use them to access your data. Use a virtual private network, VPN, when necessary. By following these tips, you can reduce the risk of your computer being hacked. Always be vigilant, and remember, prevention is better than cure. Thanks for watching.